Most SUV buyers think they're making a smart decision, but the numbers tell a very different story. Every year, millions of people walk into dealerships convinced they need to spend big to get something reliable, safe, and worth owning. And every year, many of them drive away in vehicles that start losing value almost instantly, thousands gone before the first oil change. But here's what rarely gets talked about. Price does not equal quality anymore. In 2026, some of the most well-rounded, dependable, and high-performing SUVs aren't sitting at the top of the price ladder. They're quietly competing under $35,000. And in many cases, they're matching or even beating more expensive options in the areas that actually matter: long-term reliability, fuel efficiency, safety ratings, and resale value. This video breaks through the noise. We've analyzed real data ownership costs, depreciation curves, safety scores, and reliability rankings to uncover 5 SUVs that deliver exceptional value without the inflated price tag. These aren't just good for the money. They're smart financial decisions in a market where most people overspend. And as we count down to number 1, you'll see exactly why the smartest SUV buyers in 2026 are playing a completely different game. Let's get into it. Number 5. Subaru Forester. Subaru hasn't been chasing flash or hype for the past decade. They've been quietly building some of the most dependable vehicles on the road. The Forester isn't the most powerful, the most luxurious, or the most high-tech SUV here. But Consumer Reports doesn't crown winners based on spec sheets. They rank real-world reliability, safety, owner satisfaction, and long-term value, and that's where the Forester dominates. Every Forester comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. No upgrades, no add-ons. It's always on, constantly adjusting to road conditions before you even notice a loss of traction. That alone puts it ahead of most rivals. The upright, boxy design isn't about style, it's about function. Visibility is outstanding, interior space is maximized, and confidence behind the wheel is immediate. Parking, lane changes, and tight roads all feel easier because you can actually see around you. Inside, the Forester is refreshingly straightforward. Materials are durable, controls are intuitive, and the seats are comfortable for long drives. Cargo space is excellent, the rear seats fold flat, and standard roof rails make it a favorite for outdoor lifestyles. The naturally aspirated boxer engine won't win drag races, but it's efficient, reliable, and paired with a low center of gravity that gives the Forester stable, predictable handling. Consumer Reports ranks the Forester number 1, thanks to exceptional predicted reliability, top-tier safety scores, and some of the highest owner satisfaction in the industry. Pricing starts in the mid-20,000s, with fully loaded models staying under $40,000. It's not flashy, and that's exactly why it wins. Number 4. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. If there's one SUV on this list that stands above the rest, this is it. Across the board, major sources like Consumer Reports, JD Power, RepairPal, and iSeeCars consistently rank it at or near the top for reliability in the compact SUV class. The secret is the hybrid system. Toyota uses an eCVT, but it's not the typical belt-driven setup you'll find in some competitors. Instead, it's a planetary gear system. Fewer wear components, no belts to slip, just gears running smoothly in oil. That simplicity is a big reason these systems last so long. In fact, high-mileage fleet vehicles have pushed similar setups well beyond 400,000 miles on original parts. Ownership costs are also lower than average, with yearly maintenance around $429 compared to roughly $521 for most compact SUVs. The hybrid battery is backed by a 10-year, 150,000-mile warranty, and many exceed that lifespan without issues. For model years, 2021 stands out for having the fewest complaints, while 2023 to 2025 models offer the most refinement. The downsides? Mostly tech-related. Owners report occasional Bluetooth drops, Android auto disconnects, and screen freezes. Also, some 2023 models have reported a cable corrosion issue that can be expensive to fix outside warranty. Still, overall reliability is hard to beat. Number 3. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is peace of mind on 4 wheels. In a time when repair costs are rising fast, long-term protection actually matters. And this SUV delivers one of the strongest safety nets in the segment. Hyundai backs it with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, coverage that most competitors simply don't offer. Ownership costs are just as reassuring. RepairPal estimates average annual maintenance at around $490, which is lower than many compact SUVs in its class. That's not marketing hype, that's real-world cost data. Another advantage is simplicity. While some modern SUVs overload buyers with fragile turbo setups and overly complex systems, the Tucson, particularly in its naturally aspirated gas and hybrid versions, keeps things relatively straightforward. Proven drivetrains, fewer high-strung components, and in the hybrid, strong fuel savings without the kind of complexity that can turn small problems into four-figure repair bills. Financially, this SUV plays defense. That long warranty protects you during the most expensive early ownership years, giving buyers more confidence when financing and reducing the risk of being stuck with major repair costs while still paying off the loan. You're not just buying transportation, you're buying predictability. If you want a compact SUV that protects your wallet as the miles add up, the Tucson stands out as one of the smartest long-term value choices on the market today. Number 2. Honda CR-V. Sitting at number 2 is the Honda CR-V, the SUV that finally pushed the Toyota RAV4 out of the top spot. After years of back and forth, the latest CR-V pulls ahead with sharper handling, stronger standard safety tech, and excellent efficiency, reaching around 30 miles per gallon combined. But here's the part that really grabs attention. Some early 2000s CR-Vs are still on the road today with close to 500,000 miles on the clock. That's hundreds of thousands of miles of daily driving, road trips, and real-world use without needing a major rebuild. Very few vehicles anywhere can claim that kind of longevity. Insurers love it too. With an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating, the CR-V often comes with lower insurance premiums than riskier competitors like the Jeep Cherokee or Ford Escape. That means real savings month after month, and when it's time to move on, resale value stays high. Honda's long-standing reputation for reliability keeps demand strong, protecting owners from heavy depreciation. In the end, the CR-V proves a key point. Practical doesn't have to be dull. It's efficient, safe, comfortable, and engineered to last for decades. Number 1. Honda HR-V. Taking the number 1 spot is the Honda HR-V, the smaller sibling to the CR-V that quietly delivers the same rock-solid dependability. Its size might be compact, but its reputation for reliability is anything but. Backed by Honda's proven engineering, owners regularly see 150,000 to 200,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. Because it's lighter and smaller than the CR-V, the HR-V also delivers excellent fuel economy, reaching up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway, while still earning Honda's strong safety ratings. That combination makes it especially attractive for daily commuting and long-term ownership. Insurance companies are fans as well. Lower repair costs after accidents help keep insurance premiums down, making the HR-V one of the most affordable SUVs to own over time. It may not be the most powerful option in the segment, but for everyday driving, weekend trips, and stress-free reliability, power isn't the point. And just like the CR-V, resale value remains strong. When it's time to upgrade, depreciation won't hit nearly as hard. That wraps up our list of SUVs you can truly trust.